welcome back to Anomalous. Today we're doing Cup of Camera. In case you're wondering why I'm being so quiet, it's because it is currently 1 in the morning. It's time that I'm recording this. So, yeah, if it's a little hard to hear, touche, bad for you. Oh, everything is sharp now. Too sharp. Every detail burns into me. Permanent. Like I'm capturing the world, but losing myself in the process. It's hollow. Like seeing everything and feeling nothing. The weight of moments I can't forget pressing down, endlessly replaying. Intriguing. Alrighty then. I see you have turned into a film droid. Is there any animations? No, there isn't. It's been a while since I've seen one that has no animations. Alright, that is the Cup of Camera. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.